look at a pant that I know a lot of you have already started shopping on. These ones here are brand new in the silhouette.
Yes. Okay, so we've done extremely well for the past few years with the tummy tuck pull-on pant. We have it in Millennium, we have it in the faux leather. So this is a new take on a great pant. It's the tummy tuck pull-on fit and flare. So now you have a little bit more of a boot cut. And what that does, when you're wearing a boot cut, Anne's got the beautiful pins, the navy stripe on. It's got the tummy tuck paneling, but the way that it juts out on the side, maybe just turn to the side, it gives you a much more balanced silhouette. Yeah. So it makes you look a little more, I find them slimming.
Yeah, very much so.
It brings attention to the bottom. It takes away attention from the top. So beautiful. So Anne has it paired with the mock neck in the navy. So she's, you know, monochromatic navy with one of our statement necklaces on. Really cute. And they, incidentally, they come in 2 lengths. So they come in, all of our pants this evening come in 2 lengths. They come in regular and they come in petite. I believe 28.5 and 31.5.
Okay.
Janessa's got the basic black on, super fitting. And she also has the black floral mock neck on with the little gorgeous gloves that come free with the Today's Showstopper.
Can you even believe that?
How cute. And they're really beautiful gloves.
The gloves are a bonus.
Beautiful,
with
beautiful
this
gloves.
Fabulous faux fur glamorous cape. Our best value of the day. Okay, 4 easy pays, that's a minimum on everything right now. A little over $16 we'll get our showstopper home. $14.99 we'll get these pants home. Can we, like, the stretch?
I know,
It's like, wow.
So if any of you have ever, if you've ever been in a pair of our tummy tuck pull-on pants, these have little faux pockets in the front, and the tummy tuck panel is exactly the same, and we do have the meshing inside. So this is like a little secret recipe.
Yeah.
That meshing gives you like a complete, you know, like a little shapewear inside of your pants.
But it's not constricting.
Exactly. Okay. Very, very comfortable. I mean, I could live in these.
Yeah.
Today, I was wearing the ones that I was wearing last night.
Oh, yeah.
And I had so much fun with you last night, and I was all riled up, and I couldn't go to sleep.
Yeah.
So I was up late, so I wanted to take a nap this morning, this afternoon. And I just kept these on.
I know.
It was so comfortable.
I know. Okay, so let's go through the choices. We can see them right here in the plaid. And I love that you've done the baby blue and the pink and that. Very nice, men's inspired.
And again, an ode to menswear. Very, very, very huge.
Stripes.
And plaids are very, very prevalent. Stripes, again, another ode to menswear. So you've got the black and white stripes. Very, very slimming.
Look at that one.
You've got the navy stripe. You've got the black polka dot. You've got the solid black. Ladies, sisters, do yourselves a favor, buy yourselves a great pair of great fitting pair of pants.
They're incredible.
They make a beautiful derriere. They're comfortable. They flatten out your tummy. So you're getting that, you know, beautiful balanced. Oh
my gosh, that's Katie come out. She just walked out of here with
sashayed
attitude. Okay, $14.99 on 4 easy pays. So what Robin does every single time, and leading up to our shows and during our shows, she always gives us her fave 5.
Yes.
Right? So you pick your fave 5 outfits of this collection.
Yes, because I can only wear one outfit each show, and I've learned through experience that typically your visual learners, your visual buyers, you like to see outfits put together. That's how I like to shop, or I used to. I don't shop anymore except for my own collection, but I would like you guys to be able to see, and typically I get a lot of feedback on the collection from social media as well.
So check it out.